Welcome back to Storytime Soap Shop. This is Kim, and today we're going to be making some blueberry jam soap. This is a wonderful fragrance that I found from Brambleberry that doesn't discolor. I've had a very difficult time finding a good blueberry fragrance that doesn't turn the soap brown because of vanillin content. So let's go find out how it works. We start by pouring our lye water into our oils. And I'm soaping right around 100 degrees, which I don't normally do. I usually try to stick with room temperature oils and lye, but I'm gonna divide it up between my buckets here. In this bucket I have some brilliant blue mica with just a teeny tiny touch of purple vibrance, and then in the other bowl I just have the brilliant blue. Go ahead and scrape out our bucket here. Oh, awesome. My light just went off. And we're back with a new battery in our light, so that will help. I have just a little bit of titanium dioxide mixed with warm water. We'll just pour a little bit of that in here. Just a little bit more. And we'll get these blended up. Our fragrance oil in and get moving here. Now this is not supposed to discolor, and the blueberry jam from Brambleberry had really good reviews, so hopefully they're right, and hopefully this will all work out just fine. It smells wonderful. I can tell my batter is starting to thicken up, so I really want to get a move on here. right. Actually lay that down so it doesn't fall. Alright, I got my 2 5-pound molds from Nurture Soap with the silicone liners that don't like to stand. And first we'll put in the darker blue. And it is thickening up a bit, so I want to get moving. I'm going to pour the white from up high to start getting it blended in there. It's still separating a little bit, but I can take care of that. And finally, my lighter blue color. Oh boy. This is the problem with trying to drop it up high. Because it's so thick. It did thicken up, but that's okay. Just give it a quick shake, and I am making a holy mess here. So instead of being able to do the normal design I like to do on top, we're just going to go ahead and get this bowl scraped out. I need a better spatula. And I'll be back as soon as that's done. Okay, we're back. Got all my buckets scraped out. And I made one hell of a mess here, but we are going to deal with it. Alright, so because this is not a drop swirl like I like, I usually just take my, oh, that's pretty thick, stick in there and only go just to decorate the top. But that is not going to work because this got so thick. And this is one of the reasons I usually wait and soap at a cooler temperature. But that's not possible today because I have this big show coming and a lot to do. So we are going to just deal with it. And you know, just because it thickened up doesn't mean it's not good. It's fine. As a soaper, you like to have more time to play with it, but okay, we're going to spritz this with a 90% rubbing alcohol to prevent any soda ash, and we will be back tomorrow to cut the soap. We are back the next day to cut the blueberry jam soap. So, first thing we do is just cut a thin slice off the end. Set that aside. Alright. Go a little farther in to see the swirl, if there is one. Doesn't look like we got much of a swirl. I'm halfway through the loaf now, just about. So it's still a nice design. It just got a little thick on me. And I probably could have done a hanger swirl, but hindsight's always 20/20. So if you're going to the Marshall County Blueberry Fest, this will be one of the soaps that we take with us. And I've got just enough time to get this cured before that event.